Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secrets channel. In this video, I want to talk about like what you should do when you feel like quitting your affiliate marketing business or any other type of business or any other type of strategy that you're working right now. So because I have gone through this journey, I have felt it a lot of times, and what you should do when you feel like that, I'll cover in this video. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin with freedomlifesecrets.com, and I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel, email marketing, etc. If you are interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So talking about today's topic, like maybe you're into affiliate marketing business, because when I went back in 2018, like end of the year, like I had no idea what is affiliate marketing is. I had no idea about online business. I was just googling like how to make money online, and once I started doing that, I started feeling overwhelmed with information that is available on the internet, and like you will start doing everything at once and you will feel overwhelmed when you don't know what you're doing. You just feel like quitting. Maybe you're at that stage right now, or maybe you're at some point of your journey, like you're trying so many strategies that you're not able to see those results, and you feel like you're giving up on that strategy, or maybe giving up on that your online business itself. So here's what I did, when I felt this, because in online business, what happens even in your personal life, like if you're going through something in your head or maybe in anything, like you're not able to see like what is the next step that you need to do. You need to talk to someone in your friends or family, like with whom you can share everything. Once you talk to them, like you will feel light. Similarly, in online business also, you need to talk to someone who is very much experienced, like he has seen this situation quite a lot of times. And this is what I did, when I feel like when I just got stuck with my business, I don't know what to do, and I was feeling frustrated, and all those things like that were happening, because I can't share this with my friends. Like maybe they can understand as personally, but they won't understand like what I'm going through in my business, like what steps I should take in my business, because they are not in the same journey. So you need to talk to someone who is very, very experienced in this and who has already gone through these things already. And what I did is, like I just scheduled a call with one of the person, like he's my mentor right now. So I just spoke to him about 15 to 20 minutes, what I'm going through, and he was able to rectify like where I was stuck. It could be anything with your business right now. It could be with your mindset, or it could be with your maybe the process that you're following. It could be with your ads or anything, like because they have already gone through that stage and they will be able to rectify it very easily. I jumped on a call, and they told me, and what they did is, like they not only rectified, and they also gave me the action plan for the next days, like what I should do. And you may feel like how this is going to help, like I'm not able to figure this out myself, maybe from months or weeks together, but how this can solve within a just on a call. Trust me guys, it may, because we may not able to see that thing by ourselves, but somebody who's already experienced, he will be able to guide us in the right way, like what actions we should take next step. And maybe if you're working really hard with your business and you may not be able to see those results, and you're on the urge of quitting, this is also just remember this always, like the success is your breakthrough may be very close to you than you expect actually, but all you need to is just keep on doing the things, and just talk to somebody. It could be anyone, in the internet marketing space, like who is aware like what you're going through, and just maybe you may have to pay for them in order to talk to them, because they are giving you their time. But it is worth, guys. If you're on the urge of quitting or giving up, just go and talk to someone, and they will rectify and they will give you the next path. And I just wanted to shoot this very quick video, because I don't see this video a lot on internet, and many people go through this stage in their journey every single time. And if you're looking to talk to somebody, like I spoke to my mentor, his name is Sebastian, and his team. You go ahead, and if you're at this stage in your business, like you need help, or it could be not only in affiliate marketing business, it could be e-coms, consulting, or any type of business, you feel like you're stuck or you're on the verge of giving up. So just go ahead and schedule a call. I will leave in the link in the description. This is not any sales kind of a call. This call is absolutely free. Just go ahead and schedule a call. Like, just tell them what you need. Maybe if you guys want to work together, you can do that. Else you can just get this thing sorted out of your head. And I hope you got value from this video. Just talk to somebody and keep taking action, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.